So for this is just a tutorial for people who don't know. If this is the lobby, the play tab at the top. There's these tabs at the top. So that's Battle Royale. Playing Battle Royale. We're in build mode. We're in squad build. So that's my choice. There's other choices you can make, but this is my character. Let's see if I can change something. Click that, and then go to the top here. So so when you go through all the different things, and there's all these different ones, I'm looking at it through my little screen, but it's one of my favorite ones. Small. We use the girls' skin because they're smaller usually. Or something further down. Indiana Jones, maybe. What do you reckon? Or cat? Big cat. That's the girl from Kill Bill. New loading screen. That's the new loading screen, or just one? Check out my new thing. So I'm doing this with one hand, but where's the bus going? Where are we going? So this is the start with all this information. That's the team. We're in a team of 4. Some other crap, yeah, it's like pan in, pan out and stuff. Loot area. Whatever. Loot area. Gold loot area or something. So I haven't done that before, but there's always new stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go. Okay, bye. See, I'm a character. Oh, see, we're auto flying. Auto flight. Then we'll land, you know. So that's the team. That's the mini map. 99 people dropping in. There's 5 slots. And that's the island. Bye. I have to sort that out. Okay, GG. Take care.